So if you're wondering how hot it is up on this hill, this guidepost is a pretty good representation.
For our journey back home, we're taking the inland route, with our first stop at Charters Towers. So we're starting our descent. We've left Cairns well and truly. We are now in Cardwell and we have the beautiful Hinchinbrook Island in front of us. Now it's behind us. It's a gorgeous spot, so we're going to keep the road trip going. Maybe get a coffee soon. We were up at 4, so
A little sleepy.
yeah.
Okay, so we've just turned off from Townsville. We're now heading west again, and people are starting to wave. So we're going to see who's sweet and who's sour. Sour, sweet. There's a little wave.
A wave?
Oh, we got a caravan, surely. Oh, there we go. That was a big wave.
Yes!
Yeah, wave. Surely this way. Oh, yes. Turn right. Oh, no wave from either of them.
Boo.
Oh, there's a big wave from that one.
Boo.
American trucks. Get a little wave here. Oh, no, they didn't have their hands up. Oh, I got one, yeah! Working hard. Getting attacked by ants.
We're about to head into Charters Towers. New territory for both of us. Very exciting. Time for a feed. Well-earned beer. I was gonna stop drinking, but this might be my last one because it feels very well deserved. It's very hot as well, so it's gonna hit the spot. Very excited.
Whole lot of dirt. We mine our dirt right here. Those cutters.
Yeah, it's got enough people that you need people. So we're up the top of Towers Hill of Charters Towers. Also seeing the whole town behind me. It's a really cute town. It's very hot, which is concerning given it's August. There's lots of really interesting historical information about the town and its gold mining history and other things up here. Very informative.
So if you're wondering how hot it is up on this hill, this guidepost is a pretty good representation.
I'm melting!
So here on Towers Hill in Charters Towers, there's some fun facts about the town. Gold was discovered here in the 1800s. There was a manager of the town who got a bit too drunk, had a bottle and a half of whiskey one day after his pay was cut from £8 to 6. He then proceeded to shoot his boss in the head, killing him instantly, and then trying to kill himself unsuccessfully, and was eventually hanged. He did state that he was never able to control his temper well, and on that day he just had enough. So that's a bit of fun. Later, in World War II, there were munitions stored on this hill. There were 29 munitions storage sites that were covered up with the old rubble from the gold mines, and that was used to supply the Townsville RAF base in the case of an invasion or that one got blown up. So pretty interesting stuff. So we're in a bit of a predicament. We've driven down to the Burdekin River in the sand and gotten ourselves a bit bogged on 40 psi, tyres with too much pressure in them. So now we've deflated the tyres and hopefully we'll be able to drive out here. Let's see how it goes. Freed ourselves from the bog. Now, time for a swim. Well earned, well earned. Laura's losing her patience very quickly.
We've been blessed
With a visitor.
the one-eyed dog.
He'll get you out of bed. Oh,
okay.
Beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, I want one.
Gone on a walk. We've adopted this dog for the morning.
Billy.
Billy. Silly Billy.
Oh, got a pee on it.
I love Billy.
So we lost the dog for a bit. We're going for a run and the dog is still with us. Ooh, got a bindi. Boo! G'day, it's a beautiful afternoon here on the banks of the Burdekin. This afternoon I thought I'd show you our setup, our new setup, for transferring water from the ute to the caravan. So down here we've got a quick connect hose and that goes straight in there into a high flow pump, and then up here we've got a 200 litre water bladder that we can expand whenever we need it, and then if I flick this switch it flows water up and into the caravan. So here we've got the quick connect hose, just your regular garden hose but with a drinking hose. Got a switch for the pump. There's a filter on the way in which then comes currently, if we come up here a little bit, from the water bladder down through a little tap that I've got here to turn on and off so that then when we're disconnected the water doesn't go everywhere. If we come back down here the water flows through there, through the pump, then through this drinking hose and then past my Crocs all the way up into the caravan through another filter which is a inline drinking filter. So when it's all plugged in it's as simple as flicking a switch. So one last little tip for new players is that on every one of these inline filters they are directional, so it's important that you check the flow direction, which should be marked on the outside of the filter itself, and that'll tell you which way the water has got to flow through it.
our time in Charters Towers is done. We refueled and hit the road for the next stop.
That's it for this episode of Grind and Unwind. Tune in next time to see these large bin chickens. Ciao.